We called it Potash for Life because it's highly essential. Nothing can happen without potassium.
There is a good linkage between academic institution and IPL in extending benefits of potash to farmers.
I am doing some jeep campaigns, I am doing some field days, I am doing some farmer meetings about using potash.
तो उसको ज़्यादा मतलब उसका महसूस होता है, क्योंकि आज मैंने देखा उसमें और इसमें मेरे को तो 50% मेरे को फ़र्क लग रहा है, 50% से भी ज़्यादा, मतलब मेरे को इसमें फ़र्क लग रहा है.
The main objectives of this project are Potash for Life. First is to educate the farmers about the correct and balanced use of fertilizers, particularly potassium. Second aim is to help farmers to increase their incomes from the farm, and this is being implemented in 9 states of India: Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh.
Basically, the objectives of university and IPL are almost same, I would like to say. Teaching the farmers the balanced use of fertilizer to sustain high production levels and to maintain the soil health in long run. And we are working in collaboration. Whatever technical support is required to IPL, our scientists they regularly provide.
We are adopting many techniques, simple and effective techniques. First of all, of course, is to conduct field demonstrations to showcase the technology, the benefits of balanced fertilization to the farmers in their own fields.
आपण बघतच आहोत की इथं ह्या प्लॉटला आपण जे पोटॅश वापरलेलं आहे त्याला फुलं जास्त आलेली आहेत, फळांची संख्या जास्त आलेली आहे, ग्रोथ चांगली आहे आणि फळं पण चांगले लागलेले आणि लवकर लागलेले. त्याच्यामध्ये थोडे फ्रूट आणि फुलं कमी. हो, मग जास्तीत जास्त पोटॅश वापरा, त्यांनी फायदाच होणार आहे आपला आणि आपल्याकडे प्लॉट पण आहे असं.
We bring other farmers to the demonstration field and so that they can see the benefits of application of balanced fertilization. We are organizing about 1400 demonstrations per year all over the 9 states and more than 100 field days.
नहीं, मैं तो अभी भी वर्तमान में भी मतलब बहुत अच्छा महसूस करता हूँ. मुझे किसान होने में गर्व है, क्योंकि ये खेती इस उन्नत तरीके को मैं करके और लोगों को बता करके इस दिशा में ही मैं और किसानों को मोटिवेट करने की दिशा में ही मैं कार्य कर रहा हूँ.
We have provided for 2 junior agronomists in each state, but some of the bigger states have more than 2. So we altogether have about 22 junior agronomists working in this project. So we have trained them well, we have educated them well. So the team is now very good, they are highly enthusiastic and they are doing very good work in the field.
As the slogan indicates that the potash for life, it's true. The potash will be very beneficial to the plants or in the overall concern about the yield and quality of crops. It is a very, we can say the bright future, not only for the potash, it's for the farmers. Please use the potash and observe the result.
We have the scientists who are telling, we have the agronomists who are reaching the farmers. Every day they are with the farmers. Every day they are telling what to do, when to do. And that is the dream of our company, our this project, that we should make the farmers aware of the potash. Then only the farmer can take the benefit of this.
There is no better service than serving the farmers and helping them to achieve what they need to. So that's the biggest achievement, as I think. Potash for Life has been well conceived, very well planned. A well conceived project is bound to bring success.